In tonight's video, I intend to just simply document my trade recap for today, April 19th, 2023. I think it's great to document your trades every day to see what you need to tweak in your trading business. So normally I will write it down, but tonight I'm going to do a video to what I wrote down. So I only trade the E-mini Russell futures contracts. And so when the market opens, I make sure I try to wait 3 to 4 candles, which is about 15-20 minutes. And then I plot my Fibonacci's from low to high so I can scalp the 618 fib level real quick while the momentum is high. So this is a strategy that I'm using to help me pass my Apex evaluation funding accounts. So what I've been doing and finding the most success with is placing my limit orders in the active trader for the VWAP price and the 618 Fibonacci level price. So I can show you real quick. This is not a strategy video, but I'll show you. So one, I really don't care about this big candle because I know if I take this off of regular hours and put on electronics, it's going to be a completely different candle. So I completely ignore that candle. So my 1, 2, 3 candles is here. So we can even do, if we did that candle, I don't think it makes a big difference, but if we did that candle like that, and if I place my order for the upside because the lower fib was holding the price, right? So if the candles does not break lower than the lower fib, I don't take a put. Although most people may have jumped into a put here, I would not have. So what I done here, because the price held right here, was I placed a order right here. So you can see the price was $17.98 at this fib level, right? So right here, we also have the VWAP price, right? So you got $17.97 between $17.98. So I'm placing orders in between those levels. So the VWAP kind of confirms the 618 level. And that's how I use that to enter the trade in the morning while the momentum is high, just to do a quick scalp to help me to pass this evaluation account. So today I only use 4 of my accounts. I have 6. I didn't use the other 2. I'm kind of just getting used to learning futures and understanding them and how they work, how they move. So I'm just kind of rotating my accounts until I pass them all. So drop some of your tips for how you enter and finesse the market to get money out of the market. So just let me know. Good night, everybody. Bye.